Hey, what is going on, everyone? I hope you guys are doing amazing. If you're not already, I don't know what you're waiting for. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and click on that notification bell. So every time I push out new videos to you guys are going to be the first one to be notified. Now, give this video a like or a thumbs up. It's going to help with the YouTube algorithm of getting my video out there to the masses for each and every one for you to see around the world. And I have to state this clear. I'm not a financial advisor. This is no financial advice, and I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a simple guy on YouTube just showing you my journey on how I'm making passive income and helping others to do the same. So let's get right back to this information. This is e-estate. I've been a part of this amazing opportunity since October of 2025. And it has been an amazing journey of earning consistent passive income every single day, Monday through Friday. Okay, Saturdays and Sundays there's no profit, but Monday through Friday is profit. All right, and just think of your typical REIT stock, right? You're earning dividends income. The same concept here in e-estate. All right, but in e-estate you're earning 10 times more than your typical 401k, your high yield savings account. All right, and if you're leaving your money in the bank, you're doing yourself a disservice and your money is just depreciating. Right now you have real hard assets, guys, real hard assets that you can make real passive income from. All right, there's a lot of properties has been sold out due to the massive growth of e-estate. E-estate is just growing on so many different levels, guys. It's not even funny. Okay, they're gonna be having an amazing event coming up in Washington DC. All right, in the month of June. All right, if you're in the Washington DC area, all right, I'm gonna leave the link in the description right below this video. All right, take action on this information and you can communicate with me through email about the opportunity in person. All right, make sure you guys do that. Now, when you're putting your name and email, guys, make sure you verify your email so you'll be able to go to the secondary page and understand fully how this opportunity works and how it could benefit you financially. Okay, keep that in mind. If you do not verify your email, you want to be able to go through the information and you won't be able to reach out to me. So make sure you verify your email. I cannot stress that enough. All right, so here in e-estate, guys, I earn a total profit from e-estate $2,642.95. Okay, which is awesome. All right, if I was to leave the money of this amount of money in my bank, it would not do me no good. Okay, my money is making money. This is what the rich and wealthy people been doing for so long. All right, having their money working for them. All right, instead of buying liabilities like cars and all that won't serve you no purpose, and that is the depreciating asset. All right, now you have an asset that's going to appreciate, is going to increase in value over time. All right, so the properties I have invested is the apartment out in Miami. All right, the apartment out in Miami, you can get started for as low as $10, guys. $10, you can get a piece of a share of a Miami property that can earn you a dividends income. All right, so I average around $20 plus per day. All right, today I earned 17, but I'm gonna be earning more profit throughout the day. I usually reach around over $20, right? So as you can see in the charts, I've been averaging around $20 plus per day. All right, and let me show you guys something on the properties that's important here. So let me go to where it says properties real quick so you guys can get an understanding on how the properties work. All right, So this is the Miami property. I was in the same building of where the Miami property back in early January. All right. This is one. This is our Look at this beautiful property here, guys. Immaculate. They doing some renovation into this property, so this is once the renovation is done, it's gonna be listed on Airbnb. So how we generate passive income. Now, the profit per day is 0.32 to 0.52% per day. Okay, that's in Miami, Florida. All right, Miami, Florida. The total profit, right? If you start with $10, all right, you're not gonna make much money, but with $10, you earn 84 cents a month. Ask yourself this question, guys: if you put $10 in your bank account, what is your APY yearly? Your annual percentage yield. It's usually pennies on a dollar. Pennies, guys. Okay? Over here, that same $10 is giving you 84 cents a month. That is growing. It's not much, but that's a start. All right? Now, if you start with $100, you're making $8.82 a day. If you start with $1,000, you're making $88.20 per day, guys. Not per day, per month. $88.20 per month. You're making $4.20 per day. Your total profit is $1,587.60. Now your break-even point for this property is 10 months. That is phenomenal because we have two-phase income models with this opportunity. The first phase, you're going to be earning passive income Monday through Friday for the first 18 months. Now, after the 18 months is over, you're going to earn a dividend income of 10% a year. This still outbeats your S&P 500, your 401k, and your high yield savings account. It beats all three. Even with the second phase income model of 10% a year. That is huge. Okay. Now we have other properties. Now the apartment property, I'm so grateful that I took action on this apartment property. Right now it's sold out. This was actually out in Seattle. All right. All the folks that took action on this is making money. I'm making money, passive income on this property. That's the Seattle. With the Seattle, you're making 0.4 to 0.61% per day. Okay. Now, this is one of my amazing properties as well, the villa. I love this villa. This is a beautiful property out in Los Angeles, California. This is a high-end luxury villa, all right? And this luxury villa, all right, earns you 0.51 to 0.71% per day. I'm gonna show you guys pictures, all right? Now, I started with this property here with $3,200, right? $3,200 is averaging around $1,952 per day, right? It does fluctuate, all right? The lowest it can earn is 0.51. The highest is 0.71% per day, okay? Which is phenomenal. I love it. So with that, your break-even point is 7 months. 7 months is your break-even point. And your total profit in that full 18 months is a total of $7,378.56. Your monthly passive income is $409. That's the projection, right? It does fluctuate, like I said. All right, and we can see some photos. There's some beautiful photos of this amazing property here, guys. A beautiful luxury mansion here. Okay, these are real properties, verified properties. Okay, all right. So, our top elite property, right? It's actually in Dubai, right? This is elite property. It's located in Dubai. Now, with the Dubai property, right? The Dubai property, the minimum for this property is $255,700. All right. Now your projection is around 2301.30, $2,301.30, and the per month is $48,327.30. Break even point is 5 months. Your total profit is $869,891.40, which is phenomenal. All right, so make sure you guys take action on the opportunity that is in front of you guys. All right, we have a golden opportunity that is going to impact, that is already impacting so many lives all over, and I'm so forever grateful that this opportunity came in forth to me. I was actually introduced to it back in July, and I was so busy, I was like, I didn't pay attention to it. And then I was introduced to it again. A good friend of mine that said, hey, you got to check this out. All right, you can make rental income. You don't have to worry about being a landlord, any high maintenance issues or anything like that, right? And once I understood the concept on how this works, I said, this is a no-brainer. I took action, right? By taking action, that's how my income started to grow. I said, you know what? I have to put some money into this. And my income has been growing ever since. So don't get left behind. Tokenization is here to stay. All right. Things are being tokenized as we speak. If you're not understanding where things are shifting right now, you better get an understanding and take action by going to the link in the description right below this video. You're going to put in your name and email. Once you do that, make sure you verify your email. It's going to say verify your email. Once you do that, make sure you watch the full video on how everything works. And you should be good to go, guys. I appreciate you guys on watching me to this very end. Don't forget to follow me, like, share this video, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.